Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this 5-tier bookshelf. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all guys, it has 5 tiers, and each tier is about almost 16 inches wide, about 9.5 inches deep, and the whole thing itself is about 63 inches tall. I really like how sturdy it is, guys. The construction of this is very well done. Putting this together took me about 25 minutes total, and it comes with all the tools that you need to put this together, and it just assembles super easy. Each shelf can hold about 30 pounds. I haven't tested that, but from what I have put on there, it's very sturdy. It doesn't wiggle and come apart like a lot of other shelves do. It also comes with these really nice hooks that you can hang anything you want off the sides. It's just really high quality, guys. And that has to be my favorite thing about the shelf is just how sturdy it is, how good quality it is. The metal looks great. The wood looks great. Everything looks great, guys. And it's a great way to display anything in your house, whether it's books, candles, just other things. I highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.